Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car audio lithium batteries in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Optima Yellow Top Dual-Purpose Battery. There is no doubt you get to deal with a top performance battery at the moment. There is no doubt you will have a great time working with it since it gives you a good amount of power at 12 volts. It also features 750 cold cranking amps, which should be good overall when it comes to working great to start the car. Since it is able to deliver on a reserve capacity of 120 minutes, it should be good for you to keep using it overall. All that time, it will be able to deliver on good performance all the time. Another thing is that it will be able to provide you with the best performance even in bad weather. This means that you can now end up with a reliable car audio battery overall. You will also love it for being vibration resistant. This means that it is going to deliver on better durability at all times. You should find it being good to use with your car where sometimes vibrations are inevitable. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chin's LiFePO 4 lithium battery. Chin's makes environmentally friendly lithium-ion batteries focusing on all kinds of safety concerns to ensure a good car audio system. This battery contains lithium iron to make it more convenient. Traditional lithium batteries are temperature or overcharging sensitive. But no worries about this battery for the clever technology it has. There is almost no possibility of catching fire or short circuit at all. This battery supports the fastest charging along with solar panel charging. So, much environmentally friendly for the solar panel charging feature. The built-in BMS feature is safer than any lead-acid battery. This kind of thing makes lithium-ion batteries exceptional in all ways. Moreover, BMS tech prevents short circuit, overcharging, low or over voltage, reverse polarity, etc. Additionally, there is a built-in high temp that saves this battery from overcharging at high temperatures. Also, allow you to connect 4 identical batteries in parallel or series without any extra protection and expand the battery capacity as well. This LiFePO 4 battery provides more exceptional things than your imagination. The most surprising fact is 2000 plus cycles compared to other batteries is huge. 12V. Too much lighter body. Don't have any heavy metal in the body construction provide enough power for any kind of car audio system. Once you connect your speaker or another component with it, then feel the real joy in music. Number 3. Our third best pick is XS Power AGM High Output Battery. It is possible to see that this is one of the best products on the market overall to get when looking for the best battery. It is going to be good when it comes to enjoying the overall attributes of this battery. You get that it does come with a capacity of 12V. This is going to make it great overall to handle the different electronics in the car. You will also find that the construction is good overall as compared to the others on the market. It does come with absorbed glass mat to ensure that it is going to work great generally. You can also find it being good keeping in mind that it has the electrolyte suspended in fiberglass. As a result, it is going to work great for most users. The product is also good when it comes to being spill-proof. This ensures that you have a battery that works great generally. You will love it for being vibration resistant to keep it working great generally. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Skramower LiFePO 4120 Ah lithium iron battery. Like the above 3 powerful lithium batteries, Skramower LiFePO 4 battery is another great invention. All the features and work principles are like the other lithium batteries, ensuring to become a long-run companion in car music systems. The BMS feature in it with BPS protects the battery from getting damaged by overheat, overcharge, or over-discharge, reverse polarity and any kind of abnormal situation. Lithium batteries at first faced these kinds of problems, but now they have upgraded a lot. That's why it now can beat other AGM or lead-acid batteries and get a place in everyone's home, cars, or any kind of vehicle. It is featured with 12 volts, 120 Ah, lithium iron phosphate. You may have seen very few of the 120 Ah or 120 amp hours. This means it can deliver 1 amp of current of 12 volts for approximately 120 hours. Lithium batteries are so lightweight compared to other traditional batteries. Sometimes, the weight is 1/3 of other lead-acid batteries. Though, lithium batteries are a bit expensive. But once installed in the car and get connected to the audio system, the real thrilling sound experience you will feel. A car vibrating sound is waiting for you with your new lithium battery. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Expert PowerLife BO4 Deep Cycle Rechargeable Battery. Another incredible lithium battery for car audio makes a place on our list. Expert Power has been a great company making some exceptional lithium batteries. And as the question goes for car audio, it needs enough power to perform efficiently. Further, sometimes a car stereo system may work for a long hour if you go for a long drive, or you may wish it would only when needed. Lithium-ion chemistry just does the same. Compared to lead-acid batteries, lithium batteries are more convenient. This leads to environmentally friendly usage of batteries that may have people wished for decades. This lithium battery offers the deepest life cycle that you won't believe until it is serving you for years. With this, a 100% DOD rate can turn any car stereo system or only for car powers powerful. This is worth the money and saves a lot as you can use it for a long time. Built-in BMS is kind of good news for car owners. It reduces maintaining the battery as low as possible. You already know what BMS does, but again let me repeat that it prevents overcharge and short circuit, which is the biggest concern of car audio users. Here again, the built-in low temp cutoff works not to make it temperature sensitive. Discharging works from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Charging happens from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.